Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Andy George, and this is Beyond Code's first ever client testimonial interview regarding the AI debt to profit blueprint, AI debt collection. And over here we have Tanel Riivits from Themise Õigusbüroo. Tanel, hello. First of all, I'm super excited to have you here to have this interview. Really glad. For those that do not know, could you maybe tell us what do you do, what's your business, and what kind of problem do you solve?
Yes, Themise Õigusbüroo main field of legal activities is debit collection and acquisition of debit portfolios. I've been in debit collection business over 20 years by now.
Wow, that's a long time.
Correct.
Nice. So, what was the situation before we started working together? How did you usually manage your debitors?
Yes, we did all our processes so-called manually. It's pretty time-consuming because we have to go through different data points regarding of debtor, of this debit issue, and so on. And it is pretty thorough. Certain process we always must go through. And the main problem we tried to solve is that it started to look like that this daily basis process that we do and we must do to achieve our goal that debitor is repaying the debit regarding calling and contacting different persons was pretty, I'd say, not so smooth. And the time spent for this given process in a daily basis and in a long year, I mean in a year, is most definitely the most time consuming process that I myself and our debit collection officers must go through. And there I started to think, is there possibilities to automate it? Since I have been always very interested about IT and IT solutions, and if OpenAI with its ChatGPT came along, and as long as I started to get a grip, what are the possibilities, I started to connect the dots.
Yes, absolutely. AI is a new technology, and it has a lot of excitement, but also maybe some doubts or expectations. And in terms of that, what were your expectations coming onto this project? Were there any hesitations or concerns about will AI actually do the heavy lifting for you or not?
Yes, the first hesitation was does it actually can be realized as was in my mind that it can be what kind of functional ideas it can be bring out. Now, my original idea was that it's gonna be just a notifier. Hello, debitor Mr. X or Mrs. X, your debit balance is X euros and we want you to pay it. But as we started to work with Beyond and Henry, it developed in a unseen way. I remember when OpenAI launched its next generation upgrade, the entire process regarding calling got dynamic, meaning that our AI agent was able to understand what it's asked, what it's want to be done, and so on. And then it wasn't anymore just one-side notifier, but it got like a human-based dialogue.
Absolutely. So what made you start to actually work with us? At what point did you think that, okay, enough is enough, something has to change? What was the final trigger?
Yes, we did a pretty thorough analysis. What are the most time-consuming processes in our daily basis management with debtors. And we concluded that the most time consuming process by far is contacting debtors by calling. And that was my first thinking that this has to be automated because data amounts are more rapidly growing. And also, unfortunately or fortunately, there are more debtors than we can solve them. There are new debtors are coming on, And this was the main trigger that something must be automated, because we are actually sinking to this pretty pointless manual work.
Absolutely, thank God for AI.
Yeah, that's correct.
Nice. So, in terms of the process, what were the first steps? How did the first steps of our collaboration look like for you?
First, I remember we talked with you in general. Can this such idea that I have in my mind with connecting to AI possibilities? Can this be achieved at all?
Yeah,
I wasn't pretty sure. I thought maybe it's something out of Skydive movies that AIs and computers solutions and coding solutions. Are they that far or they are not? And fortunately, I got confirmations that it can be done also, but also I remember it was a lot of experimenting.
absolutely.
In first start, we weren't that sure that it can play out such way as we have a working solution today.
Nice, that is awesome to hear. So, like, when the code was developed and we contacted your IT guy to deployment, how difficult or how easy it was, in your opinion, to implement it, like actually plug it into your systems?
No, actually, that wasn't entirely plug and play, because that was an entirely new task for me. I mean, leading an IT management. I haven't done this in such level before. It was pretty eye-opening, I'd say. I also learned something new. It was a tough thing to do, but the benefits that we are having today and through numbers and through speeding of entire process, that is totally worth it.
Great to hear that, Tanel. So, and if we are going on to the results, what you briefly mentioned as well, that the results outweigh the input. So, how did this solution impact your team in, let's say, like numbers times? How much time did it free up for you, like realistically?
I don't have exact work hours, how much our entire load was reduced, but this reduction in total, this is I'd say feelable.
Feelable.
That's a feelable effect that I myself and our other deputy management officers can handle other tasks instead of calling debtors.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's the main issue we were looking for, and I can say in a 2 or 3 months time, by the day that we have implemented the solutions and doing this calling campaign, it's pretty tough. And it's feelable. Yes, it has reduced our workload, definitely.
Perfect. So we talked about time, but what kind of other concrete results have you achieved through this automation work so far?
Okay, firstly, yes, we have gained some amount of money. Of course, what's the main goal of this? We have achieved numerous payment schedules and payment plans with debtors that we haven't heard long time of certain people. Then this kind of, how to say, side benefit that I couldn't foresee myself was that we rooted out some unused numbers, numbers that these debtors are or the same persons are not using anymore. So it means that we started to do some new background searches to actually get contact with actual debtors. Then in total that has helped us a lot.
Okay.
And I'm pretty sure it will continue so in the near future also.
Absolutely. And numbers wise, if we are talking about a 30 to 40, so like a month or like a month and a half time frame, do you want to share a specific number, as in the payment schedules, payment plans that you have received?
Yes, I looked it up, our statistics, that in this 2.5, nearly 3 months time, we have our AI caller bot has called over 4,000 times several debtors. In total, there was in these call campaigns average 150 up to 180 unique debtors. Mm-hmm. And we have had an extra revenue about nearly, I'd say, 10,000 euros.
Okay, that's good. So it has paid itself kind of off in like some logic. But
yes, almost. I'm seeing already a new upgrade needs that must be implemented soon. We need this. This is ongoing process still. I'd say we are still in beta phase, mm-hmm. but it's giving up really good results by now already.
Perfect. So how do you use it yourself? Like, okay, before you had to call the debtors and talk to them, negotiate, but how does your workflow look today regarding the debitors? Like, what does your workday look like if you are saying that, okay, today I want to do with the debtors?
Yes, it's I'd say it's a lot smoother that I myself and our management officers don't have to spend time so much with making calls.
Yeah.
So we can do other tasks, mm-hmm. or do also new tasks, mm-hmm. regarding that. It has gave us some workload reduction.
Yes, but how do you, like, specifically the program you use? Like, do you do like campaigns?
In that manner, yes.
Yes.
Yes, we do campaigns twice or 3 times a week. Mm-hmm. We are selecting certain days and times in which the campaign initiates, mm-hmm. and after completed, we are going through statistics also.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's like pretty simple to set up and press go, and then the AI works for you.
Yes, no, it's pretty simple. Yes, but first we had to do pretty much thinking how to
connect.
Yeah, how to connect all the dots, mm-hmm. and how to make it the most efficient way.
Absolutely.
It took time.
All right. So, would you think that it could work at scale as well? So that if we see that it works on these numbers that we have right now, so like 120, 150, would you think it could work with the thousands as well?
Yes, absolutely. I don't see any reason that it. Why can't it be reached the same efficiency with a larger level? Definitely.
Awesome. So, what would you say to a debt collection business owner or a credit institution or whoever has a lot of debtors, who's on the fence, who's like deciding, is it really for me, or is it like not really for me? I don't believe that AI mm-hmm. is working that much. What would you say to them?
It's definitely worth of trying, but first you must understand what are the most time inefficient processes that you do in your house, and I suggest to start a dialogue with Henry or whoever does such a solutions, and to find the solution for your most common problems.
Absolutely.
Because these data amounts are rapidly growing in every business who is doing debit collections or have a lot of debitors, that in some point you can't handle them so efficiently.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
That was the main goal we were looking for.
Mm-hmm. Great. And last question, Tanel, what's your next goal? Do you plan to scale this same AI system, or are you planning to use AI in other areas of your business?
Yes, I'm pretty sure we're gonna have more automations, and we must keep up with time and these AI solutions. You are either in or out.
Absolutely. Tanel, thank you so much for giving us the chance to build this automation with you, and thank you for this interview as well. Hoping to do a follow-up interview maybe in a year's time as well, to see what kind of results have we done by then. But for now, thank you for your time, Tanel.
Thank you for having me.